Have you ever wondered why you can easily forget some people while others stay trapped in your mind like a ghost you can't exorcise? Most people think being unforgettable is about beauty or kindness. They are wrong. Being unforgettable is a cold, calculated psychological game. Today, I'm going to reveal the phantom effect, a dark psychology secret used by history's most charismatic manipulators to occupy someone's mind 24/7. If you apply these 3 techniques, you won't just be remembered, you will become an obsession. But a word of warning, once you enter someone's subconscious this deeply, there is no turning back. Watch until the end, because the 3rd technique is so powerful, it's often considered dangerous. Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power states, "Too much circulation makes the price go down." The more you are seen and heard from, the more common you appear. To be unforgettable, you must master the presence-absence balance. Create a peak emotional moment, a deep conversation or an intense laugh, and then at the highest point of connection, pull away. Stop texting, stop calling, disappear for a while. When you are absent after a high-intensity interaction, the human brain hates the unfinished loop. This is called the Zeigarnik Effect. Their mind will struggle to close the story, forcing them to replay your last meeting over and over. You aren't just a person anymore. You've become a puzzle they're desperate to solve. Perfect people are boring. They're forgettable because they offer no hook for the other person's ego. In Robert Cialdini's research on influence, there's a concept called the pratfall effect. To become unforgettable, you must share a controlled secret. Reveal a small, non-damaging insecurity or a childhood fear that you don't tell anyone. Why does this work? It triggers the investment bias. When someone feels they hold a secret part of you, they feel responsible for you. They begin to invest emotional energy into protecting you or understanding you. The brain prioritizes information that feels exclusive. By giving them a fake key to your soul, you've locked yourself inside their mind. If you are always nice, you're predictable. Predictability is the death of attraction. Dark psychology experts use intermittent reinforcement. It's the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive. One day, give them your undivided attention. Make them feel like the center of the universe. The next day, be polite but emotionally distant. This creates an internal emotional craving in them. They will spend hours analyzing your behavior. What did I do wrong? Why did they change? This mental labor is what makes you unforgettable. People don't fall in love with people. They fall in love with the thought of people. By creating this roller coaster, you ensure they are thinking about you even when they're trying not to. Most people use these tricks to hurt others, but true power lies in using this to build a legendary personal brand or a deep, unbreakable bond. Being unforgettable isn't about being a villain. It's about understanding that the human mind craves mystery, challenge, and emotional depth. If you can become the person who provides an escape from their mundane, predictable life, you will never have to worry about being forgotten. You will become a permanent resident in their subconscious. If you found this insight helpful, you're already part of the top 1% who understand how the human mind truly works. But there's a darker side to silence that we haven't discussed yet. In my next video, I'll reveal the law of silence to make anyone regret losing you. You don't want to miss that. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join the Aura Cognition community. Share this video with one person who needs to reclaim their power. Remember, knowledge is power, but only if you know how to use it. See you in the shadows.